Hola bafethu kunjani? Toza abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, naniyaza ngihambe ngedwa, ngihamba no?
Shepa fethu kunjani kamera mithini mfocus wela mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one. Yebo baba.
Hey, this one bafethu yabona ke le, it's a special one. Yabona hlele sithi we have special episodes. Ayike fika le. It's the final games of the season, match day 30. Some of the teams have already completed, like your Mamelodi Sundowns and Polokwane City, but this one is very interesting. Starting from the top, mid-table, even lapha yakuyaphithizela even at the bottom of the table. Asi-dissect kancane kancane. Maybe let's start with mid-table, where we are fighting for top 8. There are teams which are notable fighting for a top 8: Durban City, Stellenbosch, and Siwelele. Do you think they will make it? Obviously, Durban City has upper hand because they are already number 8. They just need a draw to secure the place, the position. In fact, if they win, they even surpass whoever is number 7.
Yeah, I think it's very interesting. Meaning, I'm happy. I remember this is in Stellenbosch. City in Stellenbosch from Ukhamba, and then they bring Kevin Hunt, and then we feel like his task right now it's simple. It's just to make sure they don't get relegated. And now look where they are. By a team that we are even mentioning what they can actually qualify to play top 8. So it has been a good season for Kevin Hunt, I would say. And then it's another new team. I think it's their first season, right?
Yes.
It's the team that must come a conversation with who can survive the top 8 in as I mentioned. Look at Durban City, but they're going in Nedbank Cup. It's another team that's cool. It's okay.
It's a new team.
It's a new team as well. It's cool. It's okay. The top 8. For me, that's good competition. So being in this position, playing my last game, I think anything is possible. Yeah, but even though we can be fair and say Durban City stand a bigger chance.
Yes, you know. Yes, that's true. That's true. Ngifuna sibuke ukuthi ke lapha ku bottom, because bottom into interesting ngaye ukuthi these games esikhuluma ngawo la ku mid table, even nalapha phezulu at the top are decided ilo bottom.
Yes.
For example, Stellenbosch is playing against Magesi. Pirates is playing against Orbit. You know, so it's such an interesting fixtures kahle now. If sibuka lapha at the bottom, who do you think is going?
And I want to imnandi le. Iyafana even ungakhuluma ngeyaphezulu. For the fact that it's game number 30, we still don't have a team that we can say this team is relegated.
Yeah.
It's very rare. Yeah, just the same as the league. It's not won. You're winning a game with it. So it's been a good season, man. So I don't see Orbit City Ishaya Pirates. That's a fact.
Orbit College,
I mean. And about second bottom on it.
Yes.
So if Ubaja, I feel like was my playoffs.
Yeah. So they are level on points with the Gallants. So Ibona, Orbit is level on points with Gallants.
Yeah, but obviously I think goal difference and all that.
Yes. Goal difference. It looks like you favor Gallants. That's why ngaphezulu kwabo.
Yes.
In fact, amagoli awangenele because bayalingana amagoli abawakorile.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gallants iyona edlala Stellenbosch.
Yes.
And then Magesi edlala nani?
Okay, we'll have to double check that one.
But what I'm saying is Orbit City is going to have it hard because it's like Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
So once they lose Orlando Pirates, by default for me, playoffs.
Yes.
And then in my case, it's a must-win game for them as well.
Yeah.
If they don't win it, then it's obvious they are gone. But also you look at your cheaper.
But Lana Richards Bay, my case.
But Lana Richards Bay
for you.
Okay. It's a very good game because Richards Bay if you go to see point 3 points Chiefs. It's 1-1 with Pirates and something.
Another thing they are playing at home.
You see,
my guess is playing at home.
Okay, maybe it could be advantageous. They can punish Richards Bay, but it's gonna be highly impossible. Richards Bay yahlupha. So nje, hey, la phansi kunzima. Cheaper is playing Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs early season on form. And then Chiefs is not safe now. You know, I told you like my playoffs.
True.
So it's very interesting. But Orbit City and Marquez, they're in trouble.
Yeah. And then last game it's the one with the Orbit College. The Orlando Pirates to decide a league.
Yeah.
It's more like decide the league and who's going below or who plays the playoffs below.
Yeah.
You know, into efana nale ukuthi at the top of the table, whoever drops points there, we are a loser very league. At the bottom, if the other one drops points, they gain, and they are in a better position. So hopefully another thing is just that manje sekudlala mathematics kakhulu. So you cannot say entirely unless if you win your games, especially at the bottom.
Yeah.
If you win your games, then you're safe. Kota, if you don't win your game, you're relying on other people to also do or to also lose or draw, whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
So is it lezo? They are not really entirely lying within the team themselves.
Yeah, it's very tricky na Pagole last four. It's very tricky because for your Orbit, so because last game it decided a lot of things. So for them, if they can play draw, they are guaranteed to play on my playoffs. If they play a draw, and then at the same time, Orlando Pirates can't afford to play a draw.
Another thing, besides talking about the bottom of the table right now, it's the fact that if Orlando Pirates it drop my points,
my Sundowns are the new champion.
You know, they will defend their title. So Orlando Pirates, it's win or nothing.
But I hope Orbit City won't come to the game like it even City where they are just not doing anything.
Yeah.
But
they have to win.
But they can still take a draw. Remember, if they take a draw, they survive by default.
Which means that you're saying by default, Gallants is not gonna get anything against Stellenbosch.
No, my case.
Gallants.
Pella, remember, one is going, to play off. So if they play a draw,
even now, yes.
If Orbit City is playing a draw with you,
it's very
they
tricky.
Can survive. But it's very tricky. And in my playoffs, they believe they can come back.
Yeah.
Unlike if you go all out, the Pirates is shy. So it's gonna be interesting to watch this.
Yeah, but I wanna even ask ourselves. It reminds me of the Bafana days. The calculator to qualify. But now, yeah, saying Genela Majestia Cruz. Yeah, Buffett, tell us who will be crowned the new champions of Betway.
Don't just say you. Or who's gonna win? Some can defend it.
There will be new Pella for this year.
But yeah, guys, in your comments, who's going? Ubano top 8. Ubano Itatayo. It has been a good season for me, you know.
Yeah, true.
I'm happy PSL is improved. All the players came to the part. All the teams even. So yeah, see Chablili.
Yeah, there's been a good one. One thing to improve. Referring. We still have to improve those things. Hopefully going to the new season, so VAR. I think if you can that will have to also adjust to, because some even Sibuga Pesha, we still see mistakes that, you know. And people believe VAR, not everything should go to VAR.
Yeah.
So isn't it we still have to adjust to the zone to avoid unnecessary arguments, you know. Yeah. But it has been a good season for us as well as a channel. We hope to see you next year. And of course, subscribe. You subscribe, you watch these videos as much as we put in this so much of an effort. What are your closing words, my man?
Hey, we'll see you next year as long as I record.
Next year for the season.
Next season. It's 31 August. Next season. But yeah, it's been a good year not to see channel. It's born and your viewer in a party. We like it in the comments more. si-engage singakhulumi sodwa as in you guys don't watch football nani niyayibukela ningakhuluma ama-views enu sibonisane sihleka kube mnandi, you know. It's been a good season.
Even you can tell us where we can improve as a channel. We are an open channel. This is a community we're trying to build here. So fanele ukuthi nani nifike nembono so that sonke sizo push channel iye phezulu sijabule, because I believe ukuthi ibhola is one thing ekwazi ukusi-unite sonke, even if sihlukene politically or ethnicity for that matter, kodwa ebholeni siyahlangana. It's football banter mangabe singezwani, but still akukho ukuthi sekuxatshene ngalokho. So bafethu, let's keep this community going. We'll see you next season of EPSL, but the channel will still be running. There's World Cup coming, there are football transfers.
There's Monday wrap up.
There are a lot of football transfers coming, so all that, just stay in the space. We'll see you